Hello everyone, welcome to today's video on my channel. Today, I'll guide you through troubleshooting steps for fixing the issue of being unable to launch the Skull and Bones game on your Windows computer. First, ensure to restart your computer before attempting anything else. Next, if you're using Ubisoft Connect, navigate to the Download section, locate the game, and click on the Play button to launch it. If you have the game installed on Ubisoft Connect, you can also run it directly from the game's installation folder by setting it to run as an administrator. For Epic Games Launcher users, access the game's installation folder by clicking on the three dots icon, then Manage, and finally, navigate to the folder icon to access the game's directory. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the BattlEye anti-cheat software, which can be done from the game's installation folder. Furthermore, ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date by visiting the respective manufacturer's website and performing a clean installation of the latest drivers. Laptop users with dual graphics cards should ensure that the game runs on the dedicated graphics card for optimal performance. Make sure to allow the game executable files through your antivirus or Windows security settings to prevent any interference. Additionally, disabling overlays and overclocking applications can help resolve compatibility issues. Experimenting with DirectX 11 or 12 in the game's launch options may also offer a solution. If you're able to launch the game, consider setting its priority to real-time in the Task Manager for better performance. Adjusting in-game graphics settings, such as lowering graphics quality and disabling features like motion blur and ray tracing, can improve performance on lower-end systems. Installing the necessary Visual C++ redistributable packages from Microsoft's website can resolve any runtime errors related to missing dependencies. Disconnecting external devices and closing unnecessary background applications can free up system resources for smoother gameplay. Verifying the game file's integrity through Ubisoft Connect or Epic Games Launcher can identify and repair any corrupted game files. Deleting the game's configuration file and performing a clean boot can help isolate any software conflicts. Increasing virtual memory allocation and updating Windows to the latest version can address system-level issues that may affect game performance. Lastly, updating the system BIOS and reinstalling the game to a different drive are recommended as a last resort if all other troubleshooting steps fail. Following these steps should help resolve the issue and get you back to enjoying the Skull and Bones game on your Windows computer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.